the beautiful thing is about Palau is cukup matang na kena idoy.
Yes.
Learn how to cook Palau.
Vinakata ti kumukilan na da Palau.
How to cook Palau.
Recipe sa download tayo dito.
Oi.
Sabo nga me asabu kira ko. Nanguna sa mata tabi nagsaragi na saragay boleh ka ngada.
Palau da ba?
Chicken Palau.
Auto.
Iko dems Palau da ba ka bangtak?
Me Palau le nada ni monongo.
Manibusi.
Manibusi me talangge namin.
Yan na to all our friends and listeners tuning in from around the country. Iyo. May baso mo ito ka na manibusi.
Ako nakalangan ng bulu.
Ano ba kita turang marama turbo nang kanila to all the students enjoying your school break. And nangaw very good morning to you all. Pag-usip talaga bira na bekanda sa mamay na tawag ko ni non da benua. Ada bese berbura ada buri karena tabi kata soran rai bucung bekere benua ni non da ni an rani mata bira. Karena bina kata mesi bina kela no.
Yan Renaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. It's a bit drizzling outside. Pagturun po too cloudy. We hope that it will not stop you from reaching your goal.
Oh, never.
Matakan kuha as you go to work.
Yes.
Nakakatikan tayo ni balik ka. Punga nangoni buli arase politiko nangonanggo. Rusia te se bimbing may file matakan kuha. Malata wala nga dito ka na pati.
A party.
Yes, class party today, and also for those who are cheering for their schools,
Right.
Yeah.
because Fiji Secondary School is underway.
Yeah.
Right, taga na singa na no.
Started yesterday?
Iyo, ni Kuatale and Rara ni Cornibula na General and College.
Hey.
Most of the girls
Yeah.
and the boys will be there to cheer for their schools. Ngoma din Sembera na dins and singa ruway.
Todo mabnaka.
Right, buka talaga today too.
Today.
Is Milo Kachi Rugby
Right.
and Kachiana.
Santina.
It's happening today. So it's a very busy day, a very busy week for us.
Iya.
Kereti ko na nantanganga roni, dota nito ko na raki and the sota kay tiko. We keep ourselves warm
Iya.
when we go out, and also to the drivers. Please be very careful when you are driving on the road.
And also this kind of weather to all the coaches and the managers,
Right.
Mer exercise pa na na lubenda.
Yeah.
And na buku ni ken na tarubi na maboa.
Warm
Yeah.
up.
Warm
Yes.
up, please
Yeah.
warm up nicely. Do
Yeah.
your follow your system
Right.
on how you train your body. Meron ni kata-kata pa binaka, meron yon na maruta kina no mungito and singa binaniko.
I would like to say good morning to Turangatau
Yeah.
from Lokia in Rewa. We met yesterday at Valevu
Yeah.
to Fanga Dubatoka. Mula na ka Turangatau joining this morning. We say thank you for being a kilawaran daw kaway kenda
Yeah.
when we meet.
Kin listener as well, eh?
Yes.
Okay, today we'll talk about the rivers. Before
Right.
that, Messi,
Ah,
the ocean. In a few words, mananga,
Yeah.
explain about the ocean.
the ocean is surrounded by water.
Right.
The water that change in color.
Is made up of water, right?
Yeah. The water, he is all inner. Because because every water from different stream he collects. From top of the mountain.
Right.
That water goes where? Goes where?
Goes to the ocean.
Goes to the ocean.
Right.
So the question we ask, and why the ocean never increase in height? Because all the water from every stream from the mountain goes to him.
Right.
That's why we learn in the science that evaporation is occur.
Right.
The evaporation from the sunlight take
Water
the ocean,
cycle, water
the
cycle.
of water,
Right, water
that
cycle.
contributes
Right.
to the leveling, consistent leveling
Right.
of the ocean
Don't be knocked.
in our lives.
Right.
Ocean play a major role.
Yeah.
He gives food to us because the fish they survive nicely in the ocean.
Right.
The deep blue sea,
Yeah.
you buy 1,000 sli, you put into the ocean, you take it back, that will never wash away the can rock. The power of salty ocean in
Right.
the dark blue sea. Huh?
Ocean view.
Ocean view na mo ni Wale.
Hey, ano na to all the stuff of Ocean View who are tuning this morning. We say back to all the so to all the listeners who are beside the beach, and looking at the sea, looking out to the sea with a beautiful view, enjoying the breakfast this morning, especially to the hotel workers and the Hulang Sarvanua. All the tourists who are tuning this morning. We say welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Okay. Okay. Nimberea nitotoso. What nadhava ya bakabuna nambiao.
Tinaingiza good morning. Nambiao umewasaliwa.
Yeah.
The air. The only thing that can move the water and rise the water is air.
Right.
Because air, the wind.
Yeah.
Air, if you see the H2O,
Right.
that is water.
Right.
In the H2O.
The water.
The water. You know, in a H2O there is a O2.
Right.
That's air.
Right. Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
So in air, what is air?
Hair.
And
The hair in the air.
The Messi's hair moves the ocean. What happens in the river?
Huh?
What happens in the river?
The river, they only can manufacture
Yeah.
if they are moving.
Right.
No.
Yeah.
They have said that.
Right.
The cleaner the water, the mover the ocean.
Right.
Nito so nga naway sab-saba. If there is a water is contaminated and blocked, that water
right.
is stagnant, contaminated
Right.
water.
Like your love is stagnant. Misa tubundo.
Yeah, stagnant.
Right.
That's why.
Nanumundo mo tubundo.
Yeah, tubandwa.
Right.
That's why it's stagnant, and that's why you see a flower. It's inside the flower. It's a stigma.
Right.
Stigma that's forming a sweetest smelling that carries by bees to manufacture in a way to bring the flower in a beautiful solution.
To produce honey.
Yeah. Atamo ko na susuwi.
So the ocean and the river can be flooded, but the ocean can be, eh?
Can.
Right.
Yeah.
Can because the ocean is open wide.
Right.
The river is a stream.
Yeah.
E rambalele nga na puno ni non na because where there is a river, there is a drain. And na udiwa na singa bondo rimuri na ulibon wa ila kina toka itua. He will rimuri the mine na bibon wa na ilutu kina. Ha? Hano ha? Eh?
Yeah.
He will fall on the where the
Right.
drain is. That's how the river moves.
So, Dr. Why can't you open your eyes in the ocean
Right.
while you can in the river?
Because the river don't have the salt.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. The you will tell your very best. Around you balilinga, but your eyes will be red in color. Yeah. So if you go in the water, it will be easy for you to grow and watch out in your eyes in the water. See?
But sometimes you go to binakatsara mundo ray was. Eh?
Ada patali mele da kay wasa-wasa. Ana non rabura-bura na ikakare. Uwan yung beauty kay wasa-wasa. Lako le sumayo sinire-dire to may ba. Osa do rabura-bura ko sabi yung beauty okay na. Lako na sinire. To le reunion na bitinan.
Tumay balota.
Meda pa meray po na sudo.
Kaya si Mami ito abasa nga ko. Ito magkaraman na marambukete. May suman na mata ko.
Alay! Yan mo ka.
Hindi na mo kaya.
May da kasi may mga tur-tur man na ka. Ay, sakalay.
Saya la komedia.
Ay, sakalay.
Aliberetti do ko mo. Nasa sa private hospital.
Eh, doyan mo na ka. Na sa ko may nasi sa private hospital.
Ay, sakalay. bina wala bisara mataka singa lo tule ko mataka
Pito tawake.
sai di uda mirchu kana uda da mata chigo iya malaki ni dole singa bukan dole bisu tale
Iya.
abi kemene namar matin na ni sama-sama na bibu gitu bagale abi kemene namar ma misi ni sama-sama
Iya.
na nimbulo chigo na dangi ngai singa li bisara mama tu bugni garabita beri singa bina kaniko
Baka mo Freddy sama toko may Okalandia na mataga benda ni ko yan binaka bakata laki rabi kemnikit sarat na siya mo toko may mataga benda ni ko eroni ritopa ngone ni sawa ni mbua orto ndo bato bulu mena nasi se private hospital
Anre
yan binaka John Kumar Brother Sam yan binaka na puso agriculture
Yanra
Grema Tunga Sandina
Rangota siga no Facebook page ni BTFM kaya kung numa mo na mo itabi na bugo ni Father's Day promotion satu kaya nandun on the post na sige ni Kurabi ko mo nang ganga no bugo lava ruta ki materi dobi 250 karoni dobi 150 katuli dobi $100
Amani soro koberata.
Wala ta meron ng friends meron like ta to follow ta ka na page ni BTFM so ta na mata ni mataka heart like mata ka na siya go kurmundo
Elan